Hello gurus, welcome to another episode. I hope you're having a beautiful day. We're going to jump into Bitcoin, Ethereum, MCRTs pumping a bit, which is beautiful. Hit the subscribe button, join 77,000 people, smash up thumbs up button. Let's jump into technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going technicals for Bitcoin. And we're getting a bit of a pump in the market, 23,200. Nice, good move today. In the longer term time frame, we're still in these two structures, which is this one in the daily. So what you're looking at here is the price of Bitcoin moving over time. Each of these candlesticks is 1 day. So you zoom in, each of them is 1 day on the daily time frame. And at the moment we are bullish, but if the same thing plays out as the last three times, we can break to the downside from this bear flag. But in the short, then when we zoom in the shorter term time frame, we're actually bullish on the daily, the 4 hourly, and the hourly is slightly overbought. But in the shorter term time frames, we are bullish. And I do think Bitcoin bottomed here. We have a rounding bottom formation. So I think Bitcoin has bottomed, but this is a bearish pattern. So just keep that in mind. So we really need to break out of this bearish pattern and get above it. Get above 25,700. And to get over the whole bear market, we need to break this white downtrend line, this one here, that we got rejected off. We need to break 29K, and that's when the market goes really bullish. That's when we'll be showing the gameplay footage from Magicraft. On the 4 hour, now let's go into shorter term time frames. So here in the short term time frame, I see a pattern that's playing out here. And congratulations to anyone that took the long from the last video. You're slightly in the profits right now. There is another pattern forming here, which is it's actually a good one. It's a large bull flag in the shorter term time frame. This is a good pattern to have in the short term. So we're building pressure, and then if we can break out here, the target will be the top of the channel, 25K. So I would actually go on the hourly. We're coming down a little bit, so we'll have a pullback, but then I would go long here from that pullback. So I'd open a long on Bitcoin here. You have to always do your own due diligence, this is not financial advice, this is what I would do. I'd go long here, stop loss below the previous support, this one here, where we came down a few hours ago. And I'll put the take profit at the top. This will give us an epic risk to reward. We can make so much money on this trade. Let me position it properly. So if we break out here, what you could do is wait till we get a bounce, break out, test, and in the shorter term time frame, I also see a little bull flag here. So I would go long from here. I see two bull flags, but I would do it as it pulls back just a little bit more. But you could miss out on the trade, so I'd open it right now. Stop loss here, and the take profit at the top of this channel. Boom. That's what I would take on Bitcoin right now in this bull flag. But again, once we get up there, that's the important part that we have to actually break through, this 25,379, or we can break down and fulfill this bigger the overlaying time frame. So this is the trade I would take on Bitcoin, opening it at 23,198, where we are right now. Stop loss at 22,747. Take profit at 25,363. So you're risking $450 to make 2,164. With 10x leverage, I'll be 21,000. With 100x leverage, 210,000. So that's the trade I would take on Bitcoin. I'll share this in the Telegram. Also, if you want to make trades, you can trade underneath this video, down below. And my audience, I'm giving you massive hints, by the way, if you understand. So on the bottom of this video, sign up to Bybit. You get a $4,450 sign up bonus. That's where you can trade Bybit. That's where I'm going to show you where I'm doing trades. If you sign up using this link, you join my trading team and you get a $4,450 bonus when you deposit Bitcoin. You have to deposit the amounts to get the full bonus. You can Google what the amounts are. Yeah, so that will give you this trading account. And here I've got $284,000. It grew a bit today, which is beautiful. My Bitcoin trade is up $9,686, 139%. It's a $62,000 Bitcoin trade. I added more to a few videos ago. Bitcoin in here in spot. So this is spot. So this is derivatives. That means it's a leverage trade. This is 9x leverage trade. So I used, my original margin was only around, how much did I use? $6,900 to make now $9,600 and open a $62,000 Bitcoin trade. In spot, what I'm actually holding, 8.5 Bitcoin, 3,047 Solana, about $123,400 of Solana, 112,000 of USDT to buy more stuff, around 3,400 Ethereum, and I've got this Bitcoin trade open. So that's what I would do in the markets. MCRT is pumping a bit today. It's up around 1.25% against Bitcoin. Ranked now 3,055. Sodic audited, $4.6 million market cap, 811,000 of volume. It had a pump. slight movement up, but in the last 7 days moving up strongly, which is beautiful. MCRT, pay attention to it right now. 100 USDT. So on PancakeSwap you can trade for it also, some centralized exchanges. 100 USDT gives you around MCRT around, and now it's on Ethereum chain as well, by the way. $100 USDT gives you 27,000 MCRT. $1,000 now gives you 269,000 MCRT, so about half as much as you got before. And now it's also, MCRT is on Uniswap, so you can trade it for Ethereum. Let's look at some other, and let's check out Binance, what's happening on Binance account. On Binance account, I spent around $8,000 from this account today, but it's up, it's about the same, 481,000. Here, 10 Bitcoin, BNB 116,000 Bitcoin, Solana 101,000, 21,000 BUSD. Let's check out Solana and then BNB, because BNB, in my opinion, is very bullish. Okay, let's just do BNB, Solana in the next video. BNB is one of my favorite tokens, and it looks like it's at the top of this trend at the moment, this channel. But what's interesting, here it didn't come all the way down, right? The channel on BNB came up and went higher, and then went straight away to retest the top. So that's showing strength here on the hourly, on the 4 hourly overbought, on the daily coiling up. So it's actually showing strength here, but I would expect a pullback based off this formation. But that would be a healthy pullback for a big movement up. We would move the base of that cup and handle that I just drew. So you'd move on BNB around this distance to around 450. So BNB is looking beautiful. On the weekly, amazing as well. But on the 4 hourly can pull back a bit. So I would be buying spot of BNB. I'll actually add more, and I would take this long on BNB at this support. Stop loss, this is the long that I would take on BNB. 10 risk to reward ratio trade, 460% with 10x leverage. That's the long that I would take on BNB. I'll share these in the Telegram group as well, which is beautiful. Thank you for watching, everyone. That was quick updates on BNB, MCRT. Hit the subscribe button, join 77,000 people, smash up the thumbs up button. This is James from Crypto Guru. Thank you for watching. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.